Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice, and this is one of our brand new Boston Whaler 32 Vantages. This particular boat has been extremely popular for Boston Whaler and us as a dealer. It's kind of the ultimate sport utility. This boat you can fish off of, super nice ride, wide beam. The boat's fast. It has the big 350 white Verados right here. This one does have joystick docking. So we'll kind of go through the boat, some of the options on it. As you can see, very, very large trim tabs for stability. She has underwater lights, big cockpit in the back of the boat. So you do have a bench seat that rolls out right here. These seats can go forward and aft, so it makes it to a big lounger. Your companion seat right here, you can have in this position, or you can spin it around. This one does have the refrigerator in the cockpit. This is actually your circulating bait well. Of course, the big dive door is always cool. We do have, this is your joystick docking right here. This also gives you autopilot, skyhook, where it keeps the boat perfectly still, like if you're going, waiting for a bridge or something of the sort. Plenty of room on the dash to install whatever electronics you want. This one is your bunk room. So that's kind of cool right there. So if you want to take a nap, you definitely could. The head is on this side. So you've got fully enclosed head right there, overboard and dockside discharge. She does have shore power, built-in battery charger. Plenty of room here in the bow, storage underneath all of your seats. Of course, you've got the powder-coated hardtop, zero maintenance, and very, very easy to take care of. So to recap, 2018 Boston Whaler 32 Vantage, located at MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. The phone number here at MarineMax in Venice is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.